Reactors are equipment often used to conduct chemical reactions or physical processes in industrial settings. They can be used in a variety of industries, including industrial chemistry, pharmaceutical manufacturing, and more. In these applications, it is very important to maintain the appropriate temperature of the reactor, because different reactions require different temperature conditions to ensure the smooth progress of the reaction. A commonly used reactor temperature control method is a built-in temperature control system. This control system usually includes sensors, controllers, and heaters. The sensor is used to measure the temperature in the reactor and then transmit the temperature signal to the controller. The controller performs control according to the preset temperature set value and drives the heater to maintain the temperature in the reactor within the required range. In addition to the built-in temperature control system, another commonly used reactor temperature control method is an external heating system.